here's what to expect from the Apex Mentorship. Before I get into that, I'd like to tell you how I ended up building it in the first place. Being the genius I am, I used to spend day and night cramming my brain with tons and tons of information, knowledge, wisdom, pretty much anything I could learn. This practically drove me crazy. So, since I've done the heavy lifting, I decided, why don't I build a personalized learning management system? So I got to building. I started with many mind maps, drawings, sketches, the works. That's when I thought, what note-taking software would be best? To just pin the tail on the donkey? That's when I kept coming across multiple recommended videos regarding Notion. I got to work, using the same methodology as usual, working day and night non-stop. Plus, that too almost drove me insane. In the end, I came out alright, and the LMS was built, and now we're here. The second element of that LMS is the mentorship. I figured, how will a person stay focused, happy with what they achieve, and consistently reiterating their personal projects, lifestyle, etc., etc. Something new I discovered about myself is that I enjoy creating things. Whether it be a short story, a long-form chapter book, a blog, a new video, or whatever. To me, creating stuff and building things is fun. So, with this mentorship, I encourage the same thing. I encourage you to build something. But before we get you to build something, I offer you some education, what it means to have exceptional skills and skill set stacks, and what the possibilities could be for you too. In the beginning, it was tough for me to pick up a project, leave it for some time, pick it back up, see it to the end, and then be happy about it, if I even got to finish it. So, I break down many realistic topics regarding your mindset, what type of mindset it takes to build and create your own super focus, and lots more. That said, you can expect to learn about my personal observations and experiences regarding a bit of body and mind health, financial status, and my thoughts about what I'd do differently if I started all over again. I explain the pros versus cons regarding the types of work or career paths you may want to consider or reconsider, while also touching on being productive, simple methodologies to stay consistent and resourceful, plus becoming a lifelong learner for the greater good.